I've used all types of vacuums, from regular vacuums to stick vacuums and robot vacuums, and they're all great in their own ways. I personally do prefer the robot and stick vacuums. However, the stick vacuums have had kind of two issues for the longest time for me. Number one, it's hard to keep them in place because when you try to lean them up against a wall, either it's going to fall down sideways or it's going to slide down on tiles. And then secondly, they usually don't have an easy way to dispose of the trash. Usually you got to take it out and do it manually. Until today, that's where the ILIFE S90 Pro changes everything. So I've got the ILIFE S90 Pro. This is a cordless stick vacuum cleaner with a station. Now, oddly enough, it doesn't show the station on here. It's kind of like a little trash can. They do mention it on the side here along with more specs. You can see the photo there. It looks really cool. That's actually the main reason why I would consider this. But of course, I'd want to see how well it cleans and picks up all the trash. Opening this up, in the box we're starting off, it mentions you're going to have 1 year of warranty from, I guess, the date of purchase here. So that's nice. And then there is a card on here, warranty card, that you can send back via mail in case anything goes wrong, which won't be the case here. There's the user manual, and then all the pieces here. There's a trash bag on the left side here. Not trash bag, but trash can. Oddly enough, this is a pretty nice size, but not too heavy. Yeah, it is nicely made. Gonna put that to the side. Here are some of the accessories for the stick vacuum, and then the rest of them. This right here is a bag. It actually comes with multiple bags. 4 extra bags to place inside the trash bin. That's pretty nice that it comes with this many. There's also a little brush with a hook that comes inside. There's like a sharp blade all the way at the end there. Here's the motorized cleaning head right here. Here's the handle itself. It looks like a gun. You also have a filter here on the side. Here's the 2200 milliamp hour battery. This is surprisingly lightweight and not too large. And it goes on the back like this. It's almost like you're loading up a pretty cool like sci-fi gun here again. It's so sick. But anyways, to install this, you're going to take the motorized cleaning head, put the stick on like so. You're going to hear a click once it's in. And then to take it off is really easy too. You just press this orange button and it comes off as well. So I'm going to put this back on. And then finally, it can go on top here. And you're essentially ready to go. And this looks a little small, doesn't it? Well, actually, on the back here, there's a button where you can extend this whole thing. So you can extend it up to several inches. You have the ILIFE logo on here. And then on the other side is where the power button is, as well as all the other information. This is an LED. And it's not too loud either when I turn it on. There's 2 more buttons to choose from here. You know, the one gripe I always have with vacuums is when they have these extensions or extra pieces to clean up different spaces, like, let's say, a sofa here. There's nowhere to kind of put this. You can kind of lay it out somewhere, but it might get lost. Not with this. You see on the top here, there's this hole that's meant to put this piece in. That's really convenient. It makes it easy to find this and use it whenever I need to. That's so convenient. So here's how you turn on this trash bin. You're going to take this cord and just plug it in. That's it. Oh wait, there is one more thing. You got to take this piece and just put it on top. Now it's going to start charging. So not only does it empty everything, it also charges this battery and recharges it. So it's very nice because other ones may need a separate cord to charge this, but no, everything, it's kind of like all in one. It's all set up this way, and it's actually really convenient, I would say. When you want to get to the garbage bag, all you do is just open up the sides here, and you can get to the trash bag right here, and you can easily remove it too and replace it by just sliding this out. And then not just that, but on top here, it's going to start blinking here, showing that there is no trash bag until this is replaced. We'll get to this in just a moment. But yeah, on top of that, you can just slide this back in, a new one, just assuming, and then just close this. Just like so. Very simple. Now on top, you've got 2 buttons. First is the auto for automatic, and then the other one is a manual button that you can press for this to get cleaned up or emptied out into the trash bag. Now look at how easy this is going to be. All I do is take this out from the trash bin or dustbin, then place this on top. Once I hear a click, just like that, I can now just press the button on here to start this. And what I love about this, not even 30 seconds in, and look at how much trash it's picked up just from going back and forth. That's crazy, it's picking up so much, and it's not even at its max suction power. And to adjust the suction power, you would press this button here to set a higher level, and then I can change it to auto. And then the button on the left is like turbo mode. It's at the highest level, meant for the carpet or other things. In terms of cleanliness, you know, I've got trash all around here. Without a problem, it's gonna pretty much pick up these little particles and bits here and there. When it came time to clean my downstairs carpet, by the way, this works on tiles too. So when it came time to clean it, it handled it like a champ. I thought there was going to be some particles left or some trash left here or there, these one-offs, because that's what used to happen with my previous stick vacuum. But nope, this pretty much sucked up everything, all the trash that was there. And now it's pretty clean, which is really cool for what it can do for pretty much under $300 right now. You see that green light? I thought that was just a gimmick. I was completely wrong, because I'm actually able to see all the trash on the floor that I couldn't see before. And it's even better when the lights are off and you turn this on and you can see clearly all the trash that's there. The other thing I like about this is that you can get those hard to reach places underneath this sofa, for instance. I have this off, obviously, because otherwise you can't hear me with this on. Actually, you probably could, because if I have it on low power, it doesn't get too loud. So that's the other nice thing about it. And cleaning is just really simple on here. It's not bad. It's very easy to move around. It's lightweight. All right, it looks like we've got this pretty decently filled up here. Now I can vacuum a little more, but I'm just going to go ahead and clean this up right now. And again, it's really simple. I'm just going to lean this back on here and then go ahead and press this orange button right here. Take this out, and then finally, I'm going to go ahead and place this in here. Set to auto, so look at that. Just took all the trash in without any hesitation. Just that simple and quick. That seamlessness makes it so much easy to deal with life's problems. This was so simple and amazing. Now it's all cleaned up, so I can use this again when I need to and just place it back on top. Again, very effortless. Overall, this is one of the best options, I would say, as a gift for someone, especially an elder person, maybe a home gift for someone who's got a new home, even for yourself. Treat yourself, make your life a little bit easier with the ILIFE S90 Pro. I'll have a link below as to where you can get this. And as always, guys, thanks for watching.